Hi guys, so we're going to be doing a grocery haul video today, showing you guys the things that I bought here in Atlanta, because I'm here visiting my family, and my mom, she doesn't cook, and she doesn't really care so much about food, so I had to order a lot of groceries. So instead of having to go to the actual grocery store, before I got here, I placed my order on Thrive Market to be delivered when I arrived, so that now I have everything that I need to keep eating healthy and wholesome and delicious food and snacks, and so I can cook for myself and baby Jay and all the good stuff. And this video is sponsored by Thrive Market. Use my link down below to sign up today, and when you sign up today with that link down below, you can get a free gift up to a $24 value. So make sure you check that out down below, and of course I'll tell you more about Thrive Market as we go. But in the meantime, introducing Nana. Come on, Nana.
Yes.
We're gonna go through this box together.
Hi.
Hi.
You know I love boxes. And she mentioned her mother doesn't like to eat. Her mother doesn't like to cook.
Right, or really eat. She's not a big eater either.
She'll eat if you cook it for her,
That's
if
true.
you prepare it for her.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. But she's not thinking about food like us. She is not a foodie under any stretch of the imagination.
Right.
Yeah.
We love to eat, and we don't mind cooking. And I love to cook.
Yeah, I love to cook. And I love boxes and goodies also.
Yeah.
And they're just like some things that I feel like I just need to stay in my routine and my rhythm. So I ordered these things on the Thrive Market, and when I leave, you can have all these things.
Oh boy, I can't wait.
Free stuff for Nana.
Yes. You can't be free.
Nope. I don't know. Should we start
I'm
with this?
excited. Yeah.
Coconut sugar.
Okay.
Do you use this?
Yes.
Yeah.
In my coffee, and in my, I bake with it, and with my cereal. Okay, yummy, yum.
I know, I love coconut sugar for all the above. I mostly use it for baking though. Baking, because in my coffee, and I don't drink coffee y'all, but you know, my matcha, I use agave.
Oh, I love coffee, and I use that also. I can't even function without my first cup of coffee.
No, I can't without my matcha.
Oh, okay.
No, it's pretty much the same situation. Addiction to caffeine.
Oh, I see.
But I like to use agave because I drink my matcha cold and like iced usually. And obviously you don't have to worry about it dissolving because agave is also already liquid. Yum. Speaking of, also got some chocolate chips. I'm gonna make a chocolate bar.
Oh, that sounds good. I'll be first in line to taste it.
I'm going to do like a pumpkin pie spice. So pumpkin pie spice seasoning. I'm going to do pretzels because I like crunchy and I like salty in my chocolate. And then I don't know what else.
Perfect for the season. The ladies, I won't say older ladies, I'm saying the mature ladies, seniors, matured ladies. We're doing a lot of cookie baking.
Oh, nice. Well, these are the Enjoy Life morsels. They're vegan chocolate chips, which is why I buy them. And they're free from like it says on the back, dairy, tree nuts, wheat. It's good allergen chocolate, and it tastes really good. And I use it all the time.
And I love chocolate.
I know, right? So do I.
This is very interesting for me.
Is it really?
Yes.
Because Nana doesn't do that much online shopping.
No, but I have to get acclimated.
Because for me, I'm the opposite. I hardly ever go to the grocery store, especially since COVID. I'm only pretty much relying on grocery delivery.
Right, and I have to tell some of my senior friends about this.
Yeah, you should.
Because they're not able to get out either.
Exactly, that's a good point.
Yeah.
And it's less expensive than regular retail.
I see,
It's a membership. You can do monthly, which is $9.95 a month, or you can do yearly, which is $49.95 a year. I read that the average shopper on Thrive Market average shopper saves an average of $32 per order.
Oh, that sounds like a plan for me.
Me too. So that was salsa. We eat a lot of chips in this household.
Oh, yes.
Too many chips.
I can't wait to open it.
I know. This one is smoky chipotle. That's what she always buys.
I love it. That's spicy hot.
Yeah. You know what these are? But
they're the bags.
Right, but these are the kind that are reusable. So you basically can wash them and dry them. And I have this brand. There's a couple different brands. There's this one, and then there's also Stasher, which I really, really like. But these are good because, if you just reuse regular plastic zippy bags, eventually as you wash them, they start to leach plastic. These are made from silicone, so they don't do that.
Oh, because I was just getting ready to ask you, could you reuse them? Yes.
You can reuse these for like years. I've had this specific brand probably since I lived in New York. I bought them here at my mom's house because she doesn't have even regular Ziploc bags.
No, she doesn't.
So I'm not gonna, and I tend to need these like when I take stuff for the baby or when like we haven't finished the whole package of something and then I want it to stay fresh. I'll stick it in one of these.
And they're perfect for like when we have gatherings. The seniors have gatherings, and sometimes it's bring a pot. Everybody brings something, and these bags are perfect for that.
That's so true. And when you take a little leftover doggy bag home.
Yeah, home. Yeah, vice versa.
What is this? Oh, applesauce. I forgot I bought this. I bought this for Baby J because I was going to make her some oat bran muffins. And this is the one thing I didn't have. But now we ate all the oat bran. Yeah.
And you can you can also add it to her cereal in the morning.
Yeah, because she won't eat it otherwise. She hates applesauce.
And that gives just enough taste to it.
Right?
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Because I don't use sugar, so this is good sweetener for the baby food.
Right, right. And you can also stream it through your cereal when you eat it in the morning. Your oatmeal or whatever it is you prepare in the morning, because I love applesauce.
That's true. I like it just...
Yeah.
I could just drink it. The packaging is more paper than plastic, which is good.
Okay,
I like
yes.
it. Unfortunately, they do have to wrap the liquids in plastic just in case they puncture and leak.
So they won't leak out, yeah.
So I get it.
That's
necessity.
Yeah.
Olive oil.
Okay, yeah.
I love olive oil.
Yeah, I love it too.
I made you that salad dressing last night.
That was yummy.
I'll make it again, and I'll use that olive oil.
Oh.
Because that one's more robust than the one I used yesterday. Because that one my mom has is like a light olive oil. It doesn't have much flavor.
I see.
So it'll be better with that one. Ooh, almond butter. You know I bought almond butter? I mean, I love almond butter. But I really bought it because I was planning to make that bread.
Because I was wondering, how do you use almond butter?
Yeah. Well, here's some jam. I bought jam, too. I just wanted like an almond butter and jam toast.
Oh, yeah. In the morning?
In the morning.
Oh, yeah.
Or
for a quick snack. Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah,
and even Baby J eats that.
And you make your bread and put it on there. Show off.
I do.
What about my biscuits?
Yeah.
You can put them on my biscuits. Yeah.
You can put them on biscuits.
I make vegan biscuits
That's
also.
right.
Yeah.
That's right. We'll link to the recipe.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the jam I got is just a super fruit blend. And this one is sweetened with fruit juice, no added sugar.
Okay, I can't wait. I must make biscuits then.
Yes, you must. What else do we have? Let's see. I don't know what this is. Oh, these are cans. Oh, coconut milk. Simple.
And then no sugar.
No sugar.
I see. Yeah.
No sugar.
Very easy to open too.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah. No, don't have to worry about using the can.
Yeah. What else?
Yeah. Oh,
Chia seeds. Yeah. So I love chia seeds. I have a couple recipes that I'll link to down below. I really like them for making chia seed pudding, which is so like 2015, 2016, but I don't care because it's delicious and it's filling and it's nutritious and it's like the best snack for Baby J. She loves it.
Yes.
And it's so easy to make and just so filling. So I stay buying chia seeds like all the time.
And Janae, you said they're healthy.
Yeah.
Also.
So a really good source of calcium, of protein, a complete source of protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids.
I don't have to worry about going to the market, and everybody knows I'm a senior citizen because I have a lot of bananas.
The potassium.
A lot, yeah.
That's funny. You gotta do what you gotta do, Nana. This is good. This is wild rice blend.
Ooh.
I wish I had opened this box yesterday because I could have given it to Jay.
Yeah.
I'll give it to her tonight.
Yeah.
I usually buy the short grain brown rice and the black rice. And they have Lundberg Farms, which is my favorite brand name for rice. So I usually buy that. But I thought I'd try something different. Mm-hmm. Since I'm in a different locale. Yeah. So this, did you see my video? What was that video? I can't remember what the video was, but I made chickpea scramble.
Yes, yes.
Yeah? So that's what I bought this for. The chickpea scramble is like a tofu scramble, but instead of tofu, you use chickpea flour. Oh. So the same vegetables, you could do the sausage, you could do the potatoes, you could do whatever.
Yeah, like I did the other morning, I prepared peppers, onions, and
the field roast sausage.
Yes, yes.
And so, and if you don't want to do tofu or you don't have tofu, you can use chickpea flour and you just mix it with water and nutritional yeast.
And that thickens it up. Oh, and that yeast is very healthy for you. Mm-hmm. I know that.
The baby loves it.
Oh, good.
Loves it.
Good.
I'm always now thinking, like, I don't cook anything that she doesn't like. Because it's just like, then I have to cook twice. So I'm like, I have to make sure she likes it.
You can only have one menu like my house was.
Yeah, exactly. I'm not trying to have
only one menu.
Until she can cook for herself, yeah. She gonna eat what I make.
Yeah.
The last thing I bought was baking soda.
Oh.
You know I bought this?
No.
Well, because my mom does not bake. And I figured she didn't have any, and I wanted to bake the muffins and the puffers.
Okay.
I also bought it for cleaning, because I added to my loads, my wash loads. Okay. I use a whole cup, especially when I'm cleaning the cloth diapers for the baby. I do a whole cup of baking soda to each load, and it helps get them really white and really clean. And
also, you can use baking soda, put a little in your refrigerator. It kills the scent. Of whatever the scent is in your refrigerator.
Yep.
And you can also brush your teeth with it.
That too.
Brush your teeth with baking soda.
Brush your teeth, the scent. Also as a scouring pad.
Well, if you don't know, you don't know. But now you know.
Now you know.
I can't wait to use all these things.
I know.
I'm ecstatic. I'm sitting here saying, which one am I going to try first?
So thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you, Nana.
You're
for
welcome,
being in the
baby.
video with me. I figured it'd be so much more fun if she joined me. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'm starting an Instagram for Nana. So you can click the link down below to also follow Nana.
Oh, boy. That sounds exciting.
Don't be concerned. It's going to be lots of fun, Nana.
Oh, I can imagine.
She's going to share her life tips and beauty tips and staying young tips, and all us millennials. I figure we could all learn so much from her because I learn a lot from her. So I'm going to start an Instagram for her.
I'm excited.
Yeah. Make sure to check out Thrive Market, and if you aren't already a member, use my link down below. When you sign up today with that link, you can choose a free gift up to a $24 value, and hopefully you will enjoy Thrive Market as much as I do. Remember, they've got this 2 membership option, the monthly, which is $9.95 a month, or the yearly, which is $49.95. And I have the yearly because I use it pretty often, but give it a try, see what one works best for you. And I'm going to get you a yearly one. So
yeah, I'm going to get it free.
Yeah, from me. That's true. She's right about that. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks, Nana.